Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of hybrid smartwatches with a focus on health monitoring. Introducing the AMAZTIM M2 smartwatch, a rugged yet sophisticated timepiece packed with features to keep you on top of your fitness game. The AMAZTIM M2 isn't just your average smartwatch. It's designed to withstand the toughest environments, thanks to its military-grade materials and fully enclosed design. Whether you're hitting the gym or braving the elements outdoors, this watch is up for the challenge. What sets the M2 apart is its unparalleled health monitoring capabilities. With advanced real-time monitoring functions, it tracks your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns around the clock. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision. But wait, there's more. The M2 also features a built-in AI voice assistant, making it easier than ever to stay connected on the go. Simply use your voice to make calls, check the weather, set reminders, and more. It's like having a personal assistant right on your wrist. And let's talk about battery life. With its 100% pure cobalt-based battery and super power-saving AI algorithm, the M2 boasts an impressive 60+ days of use in power-saving mode. That's 2 months of uninterrupted performance, folks. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a tech-savvy individual looking for a versatile smartwatch, the AMAZTIM M2 has you covered. With its sleek design, robust features, and long-lasting battery, it's truly the best hybrid smartwatch with a heart rate monitor on the market. That wraps up our review of the AMAZTIM M2 smartwatch. If you're interested in learning more or getting your hands on one, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more reviews and tech insights. Until next time, stay connected and stay healthy.